So now we're going up there and we will do fixing the roofs, the leaking, because it's the rain is coming by I think tomorrow starting in 3 days raining here in AC, so we need to fix that today. Look at that weather today is cloudy day. It's starting to be cloudy. So my husband go up in there and I go up too. Look at this the line I got from here, line 3. I'll do that tomorrow. I'll do that asawa. So we have this flat sheet and we have this one green roof cement. Oh, they all come back. Don't worry, asawa. I'll give you that.
Alright, I know.
Oh, yun. Be careful. I didn't need it there. So we go climb down to, yeah. You need anything the other?
That's it.
Give me that bag so I can put everything in there. It's look like?
I don't know, maybe.
$109.
Didn't really want that to go down there, but oh well.
Good morning. Today is morning day. Today is a rainy day, and look at my bag. It's wet and it's raining. See that? Cloudy day today. The weather said it's like 3 days raining here in Arizona this week. So starting today. Anyway, last night started the rain, so it's wet. How is it?
It seems to be okay there. How is it in the garage?
Oh, that's good. Let's go.
Snippy.
Ah.